There's Tink. There's Lenny. There's Blue Boy. There's Red Boy. There's Green Boy. Now I understand these are 2 litters. Who's got that stick? That's Green Girl in the Daisy litter. Who's got the stick? That's Tink. Stinker Bell. So they're definitely old enough they want out to play for about 20 minutes. And then they play inside for about another 20 minutes before they want to go to sleep. And then we like it. Everybody poop on the hill, so you're not pooping in the house. Yeah. Yeah. Makes them poop out here. A little green diva girl. I know I'm shooting into the sun. So there's where they live. So they're running. Some of them are running. That wind is a little sharp. It's picking up. It wasn't as sharp earlier today. The sun's warmed up everything a little bit. Tinkerbell. In a couple weeks, they'll be so brave they'll come up here and play by themselves. But right now, they're just staying up here because I'm staying up here. I see you. I see you. Really, they're 6 weeks old. They get cute about this age. They finally give it up about they want a nurse. So finally they give it up about that nursing. I see you, cutie. Blue boy. Where you going, Lenny? Where you going, Lenny? I mean, that was Squiggy. Sorry. Shadows in it. That looks like somebody drove right off through here. I'll get me a tractor one day and keep all this brush hogged. There's Squiggy. Squiggy! Tinkerbell, oh, she's sweet Tinkerbell, she's so sweet. Oh, they have fun out